Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panels, monocrystalline, polycrystalline, that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the SUNYIMA Mini Monocrystalline Solar Cells Kit. This product is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want to experiment with solar energy on a small scale. With 10 miniature monocrystalline silicon cells that boast a high conversion efficiency of up to 23.5%. This kit is designed for building solar-powered models, toys, or displays. Each cell measures just 1.96 times 1.96 inches, making them compact and portable for versatile applications. Whether you're creating solar string lights or powering small devices, this kit is a fun way to explore sustainable energy. The design prioritizes durability with epoxy resin AB glue and a glass fiber base plate, ensuring these panels can withstand outdoor conditions. However, the performance is limited due to the small size of each cell, which generates only 2 V and 160 milliamps per cell. While it's not suited for large-scale applications, it's an excellent choice for hobbyists or educational projects. The portability factor makes it ideal for emergencies and outdoor activities, even on cloudy days. The SUNYIMA kit is a niche product best suited for users looking to experiment with small-scale solar projects. While it's not the most powerful option on this list, its affordable entry point and DIY appeal make it a valuable tool for creativity. Pros include its portability and high efficiency for its size, but the cons are its limited power output and lack of versatility for larger applications. Coming in at rank number 4 is the eco-worthy 25-watt monocrystalline solar panel. This compact panel is designed for lightweight applications like charging 12-volt batteries in RVs, boats, trailers, or maintaining power for LED lights and gate openers. With a daily output of 100 watt-hours under 4 hours of full sunshine, it's a reliable choice for small off-grid setups. Measuring just 16.5 by 12.6 inches and weighing 2.06 kilograms. It's portable and easy to handle, making it an excellent option for users on the go. The build quality is solid, featuring a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and waterproof junction box, ensuring durability in outdoor conditions. Pre-drilled holes on the panel back simplify installation, and the included extension cable provides flexibility for connecting to charge controllers or loads. While it's not the most powerful panel on the market, it serves its niche well by balancing portability with moderate performance. This panel is ideal for users seeking a compact and reliable solution for small-scale energy needs. Pros include its lightweight design, ease of installation, and sturdy construction, while the cons are its limited output, which may not be suitable for larger setups. Overall, the eco-worthy 25-watt panel is a smart pick for users looking for a portable and durable solar solution. Claiming the number 3 spot is the Renogy 50-watt 12-volt monocrystalline solar panel, the budget-friendly option in this lineup. Priced at just $33.99, this panel offers exceptional value for money with a 21% efficiency rating. Designed for off-grid applications like RVs, marine setups, rooftops, and farms, this panel delivers consistent and reliable power in a variety of conditions. It features advanced encapsulation materials and multi-layered laminations to enhance cell performance and guarantee a long service life. IPAS diodes reduce power drops caused by shading, and its IP65 rated junction box protects against water and environmental particles. The panel itself is sturdy, with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and tempered glass that provides impact resistance. Pre-drilled holes make installation straightforward, and compatibility with Renogy mounting systems adds to its versatility. At 22.9 by 20 inches and 7.72 pounds, it's compact and easy to maneuver. However, with a maximum output of 50 watts, it's not designed for large-scale energy setups, but serves well for smaller off-grid needs. This panel is perfect for budget-conscious buyers looking for reliable performance at an affordable price. Pros include its high efficiency, durable construction, and excellent value, while cons are its relatively lower power output compared to larger panels. Overall, the Renogy 50-watt panel is a solid entry-level choice for small off-grid applications. At rank number 2, we have the Renogy 2 PCS solar panels, 100-watt 12-volt, offering a total of 200-watt of power output. This 2-pack is perfect for users looking to scale up their solar setup while maintaining reliability and efficiency. Each panel is equipped with PERC cells, achieving an impressive efficiency rating of 22%. The compact design makes these panels 8 to 10% lighter and smaller than conventional rigid panels, weighing just 14.3 pounds each, with an average daily output of 500 watt-hours per panel. This setup is ideal for RVs, marine applications, and other off-grid systems. The build quality is excellent, featuring low iron-tempered glass and corrosion-resistant aluminum frames with polyimide corner support, ensuring durability in extreme weather conditions. The panels are IP65 rated for dust and water resistance, making them suitable for prolonged outdoor use. Additionally, the 20 pre-drilled holes enable quick and easy installation with compatibility for various mounting systems. This 2-pack offers tremendous value for users seeking a scalable solution for medium to large off-grid setups. Pros include high efficiency, compact design, and excellent durability, while cons are the higher initial cost and the weight of multiple panels. Overall, the Renogy 2 PCS 100-watt panels are a fantastic choice for users who need reliable, high-quality solar panels for larger systems. And finally, at rank number 1, we have the HQST bifacial 100-watt 12-volt solar panel. This panel takes the crown for its cutting-edge bifacial technology, which captures both direct sunlight on the front and reflected sunlight on the rear. This results in up to 15% more energy output compared to traditional panels, giving you a maximum power output of up to 115 watts from a 100-watt panel. With an efficiency rating of 25%, it's the most efficient panel on this list, making it ideal for users who demand top-tier performance. The design is robust, featuring grade A+ 9 busbar solar cells, a corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy frame, and IP68 rated dust and water resistance. It's engineered to handle extreme weather conditions with 2,400 POW wind resistance and 5,400 POW snow load capacity. Installation is straightforward, and the bifacial panels perform exceptionally well in low-light environments thanks to their PERC cell technology. This makes them a standout choice for users in regions with less consistent sunlight. While the HQST bifacial panel is the most expensive option at $84.36, its superior efficiency, durability, and innovative design justify the cost. Pros include its high energy output, advanced bifacial technology, and long-lasting build quality, while cons are the higher price and slightly heavier weight compared to non-bifacial panels. For users who value performance and durability above all else, the HQST bifacial 100-watt panel is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.